Hello everyone, welcome back to EcomCorner. This is Abhishek and today we are going to start a brand new series how to dropship on Walmart in 2025. This is very important series if you want to start your dropshipping business on Walmart. This video is for you. So please watch this video till end. In this video, I am going to show you how exactly you can start selling on Walmart with dropshipping items, how you will get approved, what exactly products you need to sell that actually sell on Walmart, how you will source the product through EcomCorner. So don't miss this video. This is a game changer video for you. So let's start. Friends, as you can see the screen, firstly we are going to discuss why Walmart in 2025. Walmart's online sales are growing faster than ever, expected to surpass around $120 billion plus in 2025. That is a big number. So, and on Walmart, lower competition than Amazon, and definitely if there is less competition, then you can make higher profit margins. On Walmart, there is free 2-day shipping, and it's a trusted brand and huge US-based audience. Walmart allows 3P sellers including dropshippers with proper setup. You have a pro tip from us. Walmart prioritizes sellers with fast shipping and professional branding, so legit suppliers are the key. And you will get that from EcomCorner only. Next, how Walmart dropshipping works. You don't need to buy inventory upfront for dropshipping items. You list products from EcomCorner with trusted suppliers, US-based preferred. So I would like to tell you that you can source all the products from us, from our website ecomcorner.cloud, and we have all the items from US-based manufacturers and suppliers, which can deliver any orders across the USA within 3 to 5 days only. And the good thing is that our product price are at wholesale cost. You will get all the product at wholesale price from us, and so that you can beat the competition in the market. Next, when a customer order, you can forward your order information to EcomCorner, and we will directly ship your orders to your end customers. You earn the profit margin between retail price and supplier cost. It means what exactly we will provide the price for you. You will just we will guide you everything regarding at what price exactly you need to pay to EcomCorner and what price you need to list in your marketplace account. So according to that, you can just adjust your profit margin for selling on Walmart through dropshipping. And what exactly allowed and not allowed on Walmart. So on Walmart, dropshipping from wholesalers or private suppliers are allowed, and the not allowed part is retail arbitrage. Example, if you are sourcing product from Amazon and you are selling it on Walmart, that not allowed on Walmart. So next we are going to discuss step-by-step setup guide. Firstly, you need to create a Walmart seller account through this URL, marketplace.walmart.com. Next, you need get approval. Use a business email plus registered LLC if possible. So that is more professional if you will use a business email ID for your account registration. Add legal business information, tax ID and payment details. Integrate via Walmart Seller Center or use app like Sellbrite. EcomCorner recommends Sellbrite. That is very user-friendly application. You can simply connect your Walmart account and list your product on Walmart within seconds. List your product and optimize titles, SEO keywords and images. That is also you need to do. And we have a bonus tips for you. Walmart likes professional branding. Use consistent logo, packaging, and fast fulfillment times. That you will get through EcomCorner. Next, best product to dropship on Walmart in 2025. So we have a hot niches which you can sell on Walmart. The first one is home and kitchen upgrades. Second is pet products, eco-friendly smart feeders. So you can sell these products, outdoor and garden items, baby essentials, fitness and health gadgets, seasonal items like Halloween, Christmas, etc. And the good thing is that you will get all these items through EcomCorner at wholesale price. So I'm going to show you our website, official website. This is our official website, ecomcorner.cloud. Simply you can see what exactly product we offer. You can go to dropshipping drop down menu over navigation over here, and you can see best for Walmart. Simply you can visit best for Walmart, and you can see this is items we recently added, Halloween items, Christmas items, all items are over here. We have millions of products at wholesale price you can source from us. And also we have high ticket items and winning products. You can also try that. If you will suppose it's not added over here, but every day we add products in our website. And also there is one more thing, you can shop by category. Suppose you will visit shop by category, you can see we have lots of products, like if you want to sell adult products, art and craft, watches, we add thousands of category and products every day in our site. You can source that. So this is a best we add best selling items over here every day. So you must try that one for your dropshipping business. As you can see, these are the products which are really trending at this time for Q4 for Christmas and Halloween. So definitely you should try these items for your business. So let's continue on our topic. So you can see you can use tools like Helium 10, G-Analytics or Google Trends to validate demands, what exactly selling on Walmart, trending on Walmart. According to that, you can get products from us for those categories. Next, we are going to discuss supplier and fulfillment tips. Best supplier for Walmart dropshipping you have to use, and USA based wholesalers you can you can source product from EcomCorner, CJ Dropshipping, Wholesale to be Spocket. These are the suppliers from where you can source your product to dropship. But here I'm going to break down how EcomCorner is unique than CJ Dropshipping and Wholesale to be Spocket, all these, because we source product directly from manufacturers and authentic suppliers which are US based. But in the CJ Dropshipping, they have most of the suppliers from China, and they have some suppliers from USA also. But there is lots of competition and less profit margin. But if you will source product from EcomCorner, definitely you can make around 20 to 25% profit from each items. Next, private label options. You can for private label option, if you want to build your own brand, we can also help you with that also. We can just provide you private label options through our manufacturers and suppliers, or you can also do that through Alibaba, and you can partner with third-party logistics companies. Next, fast shipping focus. So you have to always aim for less than 5 business days for deliver your orders to end customer. And the good thing is that at EcomCorner, we provide all orders shipped across USA and get delivered to the end customer within 3 to 5 days only. So that is very good for your business, for your account growth, everything. Next, avoid using Amazon or eBay as fulfillment source. Walmart bans that. If you want to use these fulfillment sources, Walmart may ban your account. Next, common mistake and how to avoid them. स्लो शिपिंग अगर आपका है, आपका ऑर्डर बहुत ही स्लो डिलीवर हो रहा है एंड कस्टमर को, देन आपका अकाउंट रिस्क में जा सकता है, अकाउंट सस्पेंशन के चांसेस होते हैं। पुअर प्रोडक्ट लिस्टिंग अगर है तो आपको इसको अवॉइड करना चाहिए। आपको एक अच्छा यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड बेटर लिस्टिंग फॉर योर आइटम्स। You have to always ignoring Walmart SEOs because keywords matters. If you are ignoring Walmart SEO, then you must be consider that to follow best keywords for your title and description so that your product rank. So you must be avoided. What next you should avoid? Price mismatch and stock sync issue. If you have these type of issues, you must be avoid for your account suspension and account business growth. And use integration tools that automate price and inventory. So you must use integration like Sellbrite for your listing and inventory management. So friends, I hope you are loving our dropshipping series video. If you are new in our video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Also please like and drop a comment regarding Walmart dropshipping. We can help you to build your business in 2025. If you would like to join us on WhatsApp for instant chat, simply you can scan the QR code from the screen, or you can ping us at 8756919495. Thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.